We have here another open source digital paint software that has been around for a while. It's now on version 2.2, and with the beta release of version 2.2 beta 3, you can download the application in your OS by going to drawpile.net. You can go to download, and you will see that it's available on 3 different OS: Windows, a Mac OS, and Linux. I believe for any distro you can install it using FlatHub. Or it says here the easiest way to run the dedicated server is to use Docker. Ready-to-use image is available by Docker Hub. For more information, see the dedicated server help page. So there you go. But because I'm using Windows, I'll be using the Windows installer. So for Windows, they have the 2.1.20. This is the stable release version for now. But if you want to try the beta version, you can go to the beta section and download the installer for 2.2 beta 3. And if you want to build from source, there's also the source code for it. You can download that if you know how to build from source code. And if you want to try the older versions, there's also a section for that. Yes. And anyway, I might be trying the new beta version. Anyway, Drawpile brands itself with a tagline "collaborative drawing." Maybe because this open source paint application connects you into a server, or it lets you connect into a certain server, and in that server you can freely or collaborate or work with other users that are connected to that server. It lets you doodle around or sketch with other users of Drawpile. So to access or to know the existing servers that are available in Drawpile, you can go to their website, drawpile.net, and go to the community section. There are in the section of the website, there are different servers that you can choose from. So they have that server that is available for everyone. It's a public server that you can connect to. It's also a good way of knowing other users of Drawpile, and it's a perfect way to get to know other digital artists on the web. So in that section of their website, you can choose a lot of the
one of the advantages of joining this kind of community activity for artists, for graphic or digital artists, is that it gives you the opportunity to meet other artists who can help you improve your art by seeing what they can do, by seeing their art style. It helps you encourage to have a better art style yourself. And you can also meet great artists that can help you around figure out the concepts or art concepts. And this collaborative feature of Drawpile can help you practice your knowledge in drawing and in art concepts like anatomy, perspective, and whatsoever. And you can directly ask someone to show you the concept. So I'll be installing Drawpile and I'll be back with you in a while. This is the default workspace or the UI of Drawpile. You got the docs on the docs here at the side. You have your menu up there. We can try going around by going to File. Yeah, you can explore that. The Edit menu, the View, Layer, Session, tools that are available, the Help section. So as you can see, I'm using the beta version 2.2 beta version 3, and it has a recording function if you want to record your time lapse maybe. It has that too, which is kind of neat for an open source paint application like this. You can check the preferences if you want to modify some tool features like the brushes, if you want to have another kind of color wheel, you can also have that. That too. And of course you can modify the shortcuts too. It also has that. I mean, if you want to, like, if you are not used to the shortcuts of Drawpile, like choosing the brush, and you're more familiar with the shortcuts of other applications, you can modify that. you can copy that shortcut, and you can copy that shortcut. Make the shortcuts of Drawpile like the shortcuts of the shortcuts in GIMP, right? So that's it. And the way the Canva shortcuts do, you can also modify that here. Zoom, the drag, the rotate, the how the color picker, how to use a shortcut for the color picker. You can also modify that here. And for the list of servers, you can add them up here at the section of the list servers. If you want to join a session, you can always go here or join. Then it will show you. Remember that time when we went to the list server section? So there are two default servers that are listed there, and that will reflect in this modal, and it will show you all the available servers that are part of that server. It will list all the available rooms. It will list all the available rooms that are available in those servers that are listed in that section. Anyway, I hope you have a fast internet for you to connect, right? And when you work, you will have no lag you have no lag in the performance of your application. But if you're working offline, you don't need to worry about that. So for me, for this vlog, I will just be doing an art offline, and I won't be connecting to the server and working with other artists for now. I'll explore the tools offline for now. So I think you can drag around the docs, and yep, you can move around the docs and clip the docs and other parts of the application. If you want your brush dock here on the side, I think you can do that. See, the docks are dockable, whatever. Yeah, you can freely move it around depending on how you want your UI looks like. Now I'm looking forward to more improvements in the UI. Maybe in the future they will have a dark theme version. I'm not sure if there's already one, but it would be nice to have that to be in the default selection in the preferences. Oh, there's already 3 themes that you can choose from: Fusion and Fusion Dark. So I'll be choosing Fusion Dark. It's a good thing. It's not yet reflecting. Maybe if I maybe this will reflect once I restarted the application. Okay, let's check that for a while. Let's see what more what other things we can customize in the UI of Drawpile. This is the navigator. So yeah, I hope docking the tabs will be more easier in the future. So right now I'm having a hard time doing it. There goes the layer. I hope they will improve this in the future. See, right now I'm not sure if the dock is stuck already, or it's already fixed on the tabs, or in the side tabs. I'm not sure. See, not sure if it's already docked there, but oh well. Just want to do this in a clean way. Okay, so that's my navigator, this one. That's the navigator of the. So I'm fine with this, with the tap navigation. I'm okay with that. So what I want to fix is the side navs. Okay, there goes the navigation menu. But maybe I can also do this. I want to put the tools on the side, like how GIMP Krita looks like. Yeah, there it is. My tools are already on the side. So now I want to put the color wheel on the side. Hope that works. Then I want to put the layer menu on the bottom side nav. So my layer menu should be on the bottom of the side nav. Now I want to put the tools or the other menus and beneath and in between the color wheel and the layer. So let's try that. Yeah, looks like that was easy. Let's dock this one too. Oh, yeah, that should work. It's now there's now already a tab between the brushes and the tool. So this one, what the color sliders should be tab with the brushes and the tools, the tool options. So I want the color palette to be tab or duck with the duck along with the color slider, the brushes, and the tool options. So let's do that. Oh yeah, there you go. Now I want to make the color wheel bigger because the nav 2. just make the layer menu a bit smaller. And yeah, there you go. There goes my setup. So I'll be restarting this applications because I'll be restarting Drawpile because I want to see the Fusion Dark theme of the UI of Drawpile. So I restarted Drawpile and I restarted Drawpile. So I restarted Drawpile and it remembered the modification in the UI I made, and as what I expected, when I restarted it, it already applied the Fusion Dark theme that I chose a while back. So, looking at the available brushes for Drawpile, it already have that brush set. I mean the brush set from my paint, which I think is a good thing. I mean, this will give more. It will give more creativity to this application. I will try if the sensitivity of my tablet works with Drawpile. So right now I'm using a U1 tablet. Let's see if there's a sensitivity. It kind of has. Well, you can modify that in the tool options. So there's an option for you to choose what input. So I think I'm guessing this is already the default option is already the best option for me using my tablet. There you go. Play around with it. I mean, this is my first time of using this application, or maybe I've tried it before. Not really my first time. Sorry, not really my first time, but it's been a while, since I checked this application, and I can see that there was a lot of improvement from the previous version that I saw before than the one that I have installed right now. So yeah, play around with it. I may be playing around with it in a while. I'll be doing some illustration. And see, I think it will really get exciting if you log into a server and work around. I mean, work with other people. I think it will get competitive because you will show your style with them, and you will see how they work, or how they do their artwork. But when you just a thing, I mean, if you will be participating in the community, be sure that you have a fast internet connection, so you won't lag in your session. Looking at looking at the performance right now, I think that the application can detect the pressure sensitivity of my tablet. Yeah, so check this application, have fun with it, and always support open source, because nowadays, I mean, nowadays there are a lot of expensive paint applications out there, and but there are open source. I mean, there are a lot of commercial applications out there, but for those that don't have the money and the budget to purchase, or maybe subscribe to those digital paint applications, you can choose this open source application to do your artwork, to do your digital artwork. This application will add to those lists of open source application that provides an open opportunity, or an option for other digital artists that want to learn digital painting or digital arts, right? So with GIMP, Creator, MyPaint, and other free and open application, I think Drawpile will be a good option in your tools, right? So yeah, have fun with this application, and I would love to see your artwork using this one. And there's already a great community of Drawpile users out there, and I'm looking forward to more improvement in the future. I'm looking forward to more improvement in the application in the future. And thank you for dropping by my blog, and I'll be doing an artwork using Drawpile in a while. And yeah, please stick for a while for that. And yeah, and then I would love to see you in more of my blogs in the future.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.